Welcome everybody, Matt Oakley here, recording this on Monday, April 6, 2026. In today's vlog, I'm just going to do a walk and talk, giving channel update, and talk about other things. This is our update for you guys, and I invite you to join me, shall you? By the way, I recorded this video on Good Friday, and I originally said I'm not going to do this channel anymore then, so I just decided to just make another video instead. So I want to talk about how the channel began first. When I first made this channel, it was originally to show like the ride POVs of theme parks for those people that can go to the parks due to financial situations or something, etc. Or some people who just do research so if they're going to the park, they know what the rides are like. Then like a year afterwards, I decided to add the vlogging aspect because I got inspired by like Adventure by Alex, Tim Tracker, Adam the Woo. And that's when I started adding weekly vlogs with POVs. Now I'm at the point of or not now, then afterwards, like a year ago, I got inspired by like Coaster Studios by doing like roller coaster reviews, POVs, vlogs, and all that into one. So it's like, I decided to make it, you know what, I'm making my videos similar to Adam the Woo, Tim Tracker, Coaster Studios, and Adventure by Alex. I decided to like turn all their editing styles into one. Like I record like Adam the Woo, like show like the wait times like Tim the Tracker does. So you got like an idea of wait time for the time of year that you go to the park, and etc. pretty much. Like Coaster Studios, my thing was more about like the roller coaster reviews. Like I feel like I can use my media outsource to say if the roller coaster is good or not, so people know if it's worth going to a trip to that park or not. So that's why I got that. I was thinking of Coaster Studios, how he does that, and I was like, oh, maybe I could do that also just to tell people my perspective if it's good or not. Then when Adam Woo passed away on December 22nd, 2025, I was thinking maybe I want to dive into daily vlogging. And I think here's what the problem is with that. Since you guys know I daily vlogged for almost like 30 days in January, I did 30 days in January, and I did like 22 days in February. My problem is I actually like watching the daily vlog. I don't think I actually like making it. Like the daily vlog I love watching them. Like I love Adam Woo videos when he had the daily Woo. I love the Tim the Tracker when he had the daily vlog. Now he has kids, so it's hard for him to make daily content. But the other person I really liked watching the daily vlog probably is the Carpetbagger and Justin Scar. The problem with me with the daily vlogging is I work a job that my hours are different every single day. Sometimes I'm off. I'm off work like 2 times a week normally. In those days I used to film like 3 vlogs, and it's hard for me to edit the vlogs though. So my problem is with the daily vlogging, it's kind of hard for me to edit it and to make the content good enough for you guys. Like my Legoland content, I rushed that vlog. I rushed it to make like the daily vlog style version of it, edit style, to come out the next morning. Since then when I came home, I was like, okay, I only have a couple hours before I have to go to bed to go to do the 4 park challenge at Disney World. I did that off camera. So now that I'm thinking about it, I may re-edit the Legoland vlog just to make it more like the style I want it to be. I kind of just edit like a daily vlog style with like light edits, no like sound overlay, and that's what I really like doing, I think. But I really think I like just making those videos with like the sound overlays, like putting like the coaster credits on the bottom screen. So I think I'm gonna, for next week's, well, that's gonna be another part announcement. But I think I'm just gonna re-edit the Legoland vlog for you guys, and I'll tell you more about that stuff in a second. So I think my true passion is for YouTube is to make theme park vlogs, but make them like more like fun, not like a daily vlog style. I think that's why I actually liked doing that before. So my announcement is I'm gonna go back to making weekly theme park vlogs. I'm not gonna do like every single day vlog like I was, but I'm gonna do weekly theme park vlogs on top of having a ride POV once a week, a ride review on a ride POV, and I'm gonna make a couple YouTube shorts a week, like 2 YouTube shorts. And that's not the only thing I have coming up my sleeve that I was gonna talk to you guys about. But that's one of the main things I want to speak to you guys about, is that this channel is gonna become a theme park channel again. It's not gonna become a Matt Does Everything daily vlog channel. It's going back to that theme park vlog channel. There I upload once a week a vlog. And like I said, I'm planning to re-edit that Legoland video. I feel like I rushed it to come out, and I didn't get the video to the way I want it to be. Like I want to insert like the sounds, I want to insert the musics and stuff like that, like I used to do back in my vlogs. I have like the background music as I like do the walk and talk, or when I talk. I just want to go back to the way things were in the channel. Like when I had the music in the background, I was able to like focus on doing like the coaster credits on the bottom of the screen, and etc. So like I said, I'm re-editing a Legoland vlog just so I can make it the way I want it to be, the outcome. And I may change the title and thumbnail just because it didn't work out in the views in general. And On top of that, I can go sit down at this bench and make the other announcement for you guys. I have you guys down on the bench, or on this table, then the seats I found. So my other announcement is I am launching a ministry. I'll tell you the name of the channel in a second. The name of the ministry is Faith in the Journey Ministry. And I'm gonna plan to make that channel have me preaching on Sundays, like doing Bible verse breakdown or Bible chapter breakdowns each week. I'm gonna start off with the books of Acts because I feel like that's one of the most important books in the Bible that a lot of like Christian denominations actually ignore, honestly. It talks about the original church. So I feel like that's one of the most important books that I should read first for you guys, or to break down with you guys on there. And with the ministry, I'm planning to make like a Discord server, so like for prayer requests, praise reports, in general. And you can talk about like one wonderful things God done to you, so we can support each other there spiritually and with God's presence. So pretty much the Discord server is gonna be an altar to God, pretty much. Once I get enough people to join a ministry that lives in like the Central Florida area and has like Disney World in the past, I'm planning to do like a weekly Bible study at Epcot, honestly, for the ministry. But that's once I get enough people that join and live in the Central Florida area and that has annual passes to Disney, because I think that'll be fun. You can study the Bible for an hour together. Then we could go on into living with the land, or go on to Spaceship Earth, or even just going on Guardians afterwards. And I wanted to have like a men's group because I got inspired by the TikTok I saw last week. There's a women's group, Bible study group, and it goes to Magic Kingdom and studies behind, in the plaza in front of Cinderella's castle there. So I was thinking about maybe I could do behind Spaceship Earth in this. There's a spot that has like chairs and stuff already, so perfect. But that ministry channel is I'm gonna do some Christian vlogs on there on top of it. Like there's a vlog that I'm probably gonna post on both channels, but it's gonna be exactly the same. Or I may do like as a collab vlog. I'm going to a worship concert at Epcot at the end of May. So that's a very big deal for me to vlog on both channels, I feel like. But yeah, I'm on to that Faith into Journey ministry, and I made sure no one has copyrighted it or anything. And this channel is gonna be focused only on Theme Park. I may rebrand it back to Math Machine, but I'm not positive. But thank you for watching this vlog. Hope you guys have a good day, and the vlog is over.